Today we're going to replace lift pump on a Bobcat skid steer loader, and we have a Kubota diesel V2203, and it's pretty easy. Let me show you. Fuel lift pump is located on the front of the engine, as you can see, right down below the shut-off solenoid. Pretty easy, pretty simple design. I like it, easy to access. For the repair, we need a 10mm wrench and a flat screwdriver. First, place the rag under the pump. A little bit of fuel and oil might come out. And also have a container underneath. First, let's disconnect the fuel hoses, bottom one inlet and outlet at the top. Here we go. A little bit of fuel is coming out, and always check the end of the hose, make sure there's no cracks around. Okay, let's remove the upper one, slide it right out like that. Beautiful. Before removing the pump, let's clean the area around it. Nice and clean now. Two 10mm bolts holding the pump to the fuel injection pump. Let's remove those bolts. Last bolt is removed, and pull the pump out. There we go. Mechanical fuel lift pump. It runs from the fuel injection shaft lobe. Remove all the gasket. Sometimes it can get stuck. Here we go. We're lucky. Okay, let's just clean the surface, make sure it's all clean. Do a little bit of brake clean to wash all the residue. Want to have a good fit. Also want to clean the threads. Good. Here's a replacement pump, lift pump for Kubota diesel. It came with the two gaskets, and it's made in China. New fuel lift pump replacement for Kubota, the models, and I got this one for $27 from Amazon, brand new, 90 days warranty. You can send it back if it doesn't work. And when I called a local Kubota dealer, that pump was $375 before taxes, and the gasket $17. Well, I usually had a luck with cheap parts. Even if this pump will last a year, it's still cheap. It's easy, and it's not a $400+ for the lift pump replacement. And yeah, shouldn't be any problems. If this video is helpful, subscribe to the channel. Very appreciated that. Click that notification bell, you won't miss any new videos. Always compare new part to the original pump we just removed, and it's identical. It looks the same, as you can see. Yeah, same part. And before installing a new pump, let's put a little bit of engine oil on a plunger. Make sure you want to have a dry contact, and you don't want any dry friction. Good. Plunger is lubricated and happy. Lubricant is our best friend. Time for a new gasket, of course. Here we go. Beautiful. Now we're ready to place our new pump back in place, same way as we removed, as you can see. Here we go. Put it in, hold it, and start the bottom bolt. Always start by hand. Few threads. There we go. And one more on top. Tiny little 10 else. If this video is helpful, put a thumbs up, appreciated that. And if you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below. Tighten the bolts. I like to go in 2 steps. One, to make sure gasket squeezed properly. 10mm bolts, don't go too crazy. Here we go. Tight. All good. Now we're going to reconnect the fuel lines. Inlet on the bottom. You can refresh the end if you want. My fuel lines are still fine. And yeah. Just tighten the hose clamps. Make sure I won't get any leaks. There we go. Let's clean it up. Nice. This is how you replace the fuel lift pump on a Bobcat skid steer loader equipped with the Kubota diesel. And now I'm going to remove the air from the fuel system. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. How to do it, video will be down in the description below. Card will be over there, check it out. Yeah, thank you so much guys for your time watching this video. Take care, see you soon, bye bye.